All right, this is a fun one. So we have parallel and perpendicular slopes. This first one I'm gonna do parallel. The second one down here, we're gonna look at perpendicular. All right, so parallel, I'm gonna draw two parallel lines. I'll have one go right here. We'll go down 3 over 1. The slope of this line, m equals a negative 3 over 1. Now let's draw a parallel line. The slope of this line, m equals a negative 3 over 1. The slopes are the exact same when the lines are parallel. So if I were to go ahead and write a note for parallel lines, I would say slope is the same. For parallel lines, the slope is definitely gonna have to be the same. Now let's look at perpendicular lines. I'm gonna draw the same over 3, or down 3 over 1. So I have my first line, and now I'm gonna draw a line perpendicular to it, and I'm gonna start that line right here. And instead of being down 3 and over 1, it's gonna be over 3 and up 1. Here's two perpendicular lines. You can tell because they would form a right angle where they match, or where they meet up. Now the slope of this first one, I have m equals a negative 3 over 1. Well, what's the slope of its perpendicular counterpart is gonna be up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, and it's now positive. So now m equals 3 over 1. Well, let's compare these. I have negative 1 over 3. So I have a negative 3 over 1 for the first line versus my 1 over 3. Now, how did these change? Well, the sign changed and it flipped over. So the way we say it is I say that slope for perpendicular lines, slope is the opposite reciprocal. My slope is going to be the opposite reciprocal for a perpendicular line. So what do we have? Parallel lines, slope is the same. Perpendicular lines, slope is the opposite reciprocal.